I belongs to Tirodi district, Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. I have done graduation in BCom from SN Moore College, Tumsar in 2018. I joined Evision's program. I get selected in HEXAWARE with the salary package of 2.8 lakh per annum. I want to thank Evision team. Here's where the teachers was very good. They have excellent communication and skills. They are having good knowledge and experience more than 10 years. This program helped me to build my career in cloud computing. So I want to thank you Evision for this.